Good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Professor Bankar DB, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur. In our previous few lectures, we have seen in details about the fertilizers, their classification. In this particular lecture, we will see the next part of this fertilizer and manure chapters from TYBSc Chemistry, Agriculture Chemistry course. So, first point is complex fertilizers. Those fertilizers which provide primary nutrients such as NPK are called as complex fertilizers. Here, complex fertilizers are defined as the fertilizers which provide three primary nutrients, that is NPK, are called as complex fertilizers. So, these fertilizers have some advantages as well as some disadvantages. But if we use that fertilizers in optimum amount, then it is beneficial to the growing plants. So, complex fertilizers have high content of nutrients Complex fertilizers have high content of nutrients, uniform grain size, good physical condition, then they are non-caking, and non-hygroscopic. So if we use this type of complex fertilizers, then they have high content of nutrients, that is they include NPK, they have uniform grain size, good physical condition, they do not form cake during the storage, and they are also non-hygroscopic. Next part is mixed fertilizers. Mixed fertilizers means sometimes some farmers use mixed fertilizer for the proper growth of the plant to increase more yield during the cultivation process. So, these mixed fertilizers are the mixture of two or more fertilizers depending on the need of that particular land. So, we can use combination of two or more fertilizers in one slot in proper proportion. So, there are certain advantages of these mixed fertilizers. They save cost of application of fertilizers. They save cost of application of fertilizers. Then they have good physical conditions. They supply balanced amount of nutrients to the growth of plants. So these are some advantages of this mixed fertilizers. Next point is factors affecting efficiency of fertilizer. So there are different factors which affect the efficiency of fertilizer. First is type of soil, and its fertility. First factor to affect the efficiency of fertilizer is type of soil and its fertility. If soil fertility is good and if we use certain fertilizer, then that fertilizer plays an important role in that particular process. Then cropping history. Third is season at which the crop is grown. Then next is nature of crop. If that crop is small in size, then that crop require less amount of fertilizer. But if we take large crop that require more time for their normal development, in that case we should add more fertilizer, and in that case the efficiency of fertilizer is also crucial. Then sowing time, plant population. So in the available land, plant population is also important. If there is plenty of plants available in the area, then also there is higher requirement of the fertilizer. Now we will see the meaning of synthetic fertilizers. So there are basically two types of fertilizers. One is organic fertilizer and second is synthetic fertilizer. So organic fertilizers are based on the natural resources including plant and animal raw material, and that synthetic fertilizers are man-made. So synthetic fertilizers are man-made inorganic compounds obtained from byproducts of petroleum industry. So this is simple general definition of these synthetic fertilizers. They are man-made, they are inorganic compounds, and they are byproducts of petroleum industry. In some cases, that synthetic fertilizers can be obtained by using various types of compositic compounds, and then the obtained fertilizers can be used directly to the development of growth of plant. So this is simple meaning of synthetic fertilizers. Now we will see some characteristic differences between synthetic fertilizers and organic fertilizers. Here we will see comparison between organic and synthetic fertilizers. So they are derived from plant and animal matter. Organic fertilizers are basically obtained from plant and animal matter. They are man-made inorganic compounds. Then organic fertilizers support microbiological life. It is one of the important factor to distinguish between organic and synthetic fertilizers. So that organic fertilizers plays a crucial role in the life of microorganisms. So this organic fertilizer can act as a food, can act as a particular material to the development of that microorganism. That is, that organic fertilizers support microbiological life, but that synthetic fertilizers do not support the microbiological life of various microorganisms. That synthetic fertilizers, if used in large amount, then they adversely affect the life of microorganisms. They are hazardous to the life of microorganisms. Then third is, organic fertilizers are not dissolved completely in the given soil. Organic fertilizers are not dissolved completely in the soil, but that synthetic fertilizers are completely soluble in the given soil atmosphere due to their inorganic nature, and some fertilizers are in the form of salt. They are easily dissolved in the soil. So action of synthetic fertilizer is quick as compared to action of this organic fertilizer. But if we use organic fertilizer, then there is proper texture maintained of the given soil. But if we use synthetic fertilizer in large amount for a regular basis, then there is loss of fertility of the given soil. So these are the distinguished points between organic and synthetic fertilizers. Here I will stop. In next lecture we will see the next topic. Thank you.